Today's review is this Z9 DLP mini projector from Akiyo. And in the box we get paperwork, the projector, a USB-C cable, a power brick, a mini tripod, and an HDMI cable. On the back of the projector we have a USB-C power port, an HDMI input port, a normal USB-A port for powering external devices, and a 3.5mm audio output port. On the side of the projector we have a power button and focus control buttons. The picture quality of this mini projector is 720 by 480p, and it looks really good for being such a low resolution. The video that I recorded with my camera does not do this image justice, and it looks much better to the naked eye, where the image is much more vibrant and you won't see flicker from the camera shutter. The image is surprisingly bright for this projector's small size, however it will perform better the darker the environment. Here when I flip on a desk lamp, we can see the image start to degrade, and it becomes even more washed out when I open my curtain to let in some sunlight. The projector should take most HDMI sources. Here I'm feeding in my desktop PC, so if you're someone who gives a lot of presentations, for example, and you want to take this along with your laptop, this should get the job done. I did try it out with an Xbox 360, but for video gaming, it really wasn't up my alley. To me, the image seemed just a little too blurry for video games, but you can do it if you insist. The throw distance on this projector is really short. At 1 feet, we get a projected image of 17 diagonal inches. At 3 feet, we get a projected image of 42 diagonal inches. And at 6 feet, we get a projected image of 81 inches. To get an image bigger than that, I'd have to go outside, and it's been raining all week, so this one is a no-go. As far as a point of reference for throw distance, here's the Akiyo projector in comparison to the 8-man M4 mini projector, both set at an equal distance away from the screen. The top has a touchpad that gives us a set of 4 buttons. The vertical up and down buttons control the image keystone correction, and the horizontal buttons control the audio volume level. Surprisingly, the speaker can get pretty loud.
Okay, Mouth. That's all I can stand. I can't stand no more. I got it! Don't got it. You klutz. Hope it's not a deposit bottle. This is ridiculous. It's crazy. I feel like I'm babysitting except I'm not getting paid. Wait. Listen to that. What?
And speaking of audio, the built-in fan noise is pretty quiet. Compare this to the 8-man M4 mini projector fan noise, and you can definitely hear a noticeable difference. When you use the projector with its built-in battery, it automatically switches to economy mode to give you more playtime. And with the built-in battery and the projector running in economy mode, I got 2.5 hours of continuous video play. That was with the projector powering itself and an Amazon Fire Stick running YouTube videos on continuous play. The perfect companion to this projector for portability is the Giga power bank. When using the external power bank, I got just over 8 hours of continuous YouTube play, powering both the projector and an Amazon Fire Stick. When I do these reviews, I like to have a point of reference. However, the only other projector I've ever reviewed is the 8-man M4. But I can say that though the 8-man M4 is $10 cheaper, this Akiyo projector is superior in every way. The 8-man has a louder fan, a longer throw projected image size, a shorter built-in battery life, a quieter speaker, and no keystone correction. And to me, it's a no-brainer which projector I would buy. Currently, there is a $40 coupon on Amazon for the Akiyo projector. In closing, I would like to point out that Akiyo did send me this projector to review for free, but that in no way has affected my opinion of the device. This has been a fair and honest review, and all opinions expressed in this video are mine and mine alone. I hope I've given you enough information to make an informed decision whether or not this is a good product for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.